Hello and welcome back. Today in this video we are going to start sheet metal. So this is the first video of sheet metal. In this video we are going to see the option base flange and edge flange. After that we will see miter flange, hem, jog, sketched bend, cross break, swept flange, forming tool, extruded cut, simple hole, vent, tab and slot, normal cut. These are the options in sheet metal, and these all will be covered in the latter part of this series of sheet metal. So now I am here on the canvas of SolidWorks, and now here I am selecting base flange. So once you click on the base flange, you will be asked to select the plane. So I am selecting the top plane now, and once you select the top plane, the sketch is appeared automatically. So here I am going to make a sketch like a rectangle, a simple rectangle I am creating over here, and I am giving it a simple dimension like 100 mm by 50 mm. Now I'm clicking on OK, and then once you exit the sketch from here, you can see that in the left corner the dialog box appears, and in this corner we can provide some of the values of some of the parameters like thickness of the sheet metal, K factor value, auto relief. So from here we can change the thickness of the sheet metal like 3, 4, 5, or we are going to keep it 2 mm right now. And now click on OK, and then we can see that a sheet is created of 100 by 50 mm length and width and the thickness of 2 mm. Now in this case I am going to show you how the edge flange works. So select the option edge flange, and then once you select it, uh, select an edge, like I'm selecting this edge, and click here to give it a length. Now there are some options to deal with. Here you can see the blind option, so click on the blind option, and then you can change the length, like I'm giving it 50 mm length. Okay, now if you want to measure it, let me make this one, let me bring it to the front plane. No worries. So now we can show it orthogonally. So now here you can see, uh, if you want to measure the distance from this point to this point, then you need to select this option. If you want to measure the distance from this point to this point, then you can select this option. And this is the another option in which these two seems similar, this one and this one, but there is a little bit difference. And you can see here these 5 options are here. Now these 3 options are used mostly. So here if you want to keep the flange inside the previously made body, then click on this option. If you want to keep the flange outside the previously created body, then you can click on this option. And if you want to keep that offset, like this offset, if you want to keep it outside, you can click here. Now these are some of the options. Now custom bend allowance K factor should be 0.5 or it is 0.47. Custom relief type, so custom relief type is shown when we make a flange on the edge in between, like from here this point to this point. If we are creating a flange, then we can use relief ratio. So custom relief types are 3 types: oblong, tear, rectangle. So I will show you next. Now click on OK, and you can see that this flange is created. We will keep this one. Now click OK, and we can see that the flange is created over here. Now we will make another flange, and in this flange I will show you how to edit a flange. Now edge flange option, select it again. Let me select this part. This is this time. Now here in this case we can see the same options over here, and here we have another option, edit edge flange. So we will go to this option. Don't click on any of these four options, just keep it aside, and then you can do one thing. You can change the dimension from here. Now we are going to delete these constraints. Now you can see that the lines and the points are not fully constrained, so we can change it in the dimension. Now we go to a smart dimension, and then we can click on the line, and then we can reduce its dimension like 50. Okay, now we can also do one more thing, like you can give the dimension between these 2 points from here to here like 25. So here you can see that the flange is created in the middle or somewhere on the edge. Now we can define this flange 40, coincident. Okay, horizontal. Now we can see that the flange is completely defined. So now click on back, and now click on OK. Here we can see that a flange is created like this. Okay, and here we can see this relief. So in order to change this relief type, like this is a rectangular relief, we can edit this flange. We can make some edit in this flange. So now this is the custom relief type that I have discussed. So here I clicked on it and then click on the down arrow. Now go down, and instead of selecting the rectangular, I am selecting off-round, and now you can see that the shape is changed to off-round tier. Now you can see that the shape is vanished. There are two types over here is shown like this. This will be created in this way, and this will be nothing, off-round here. So if you want to keep it rectangle, you can keep it rectangle. I'm showing it tier. Okay, like this. Okay, click on OK. Okay, so the edge flange is created. So you can see that how the tier is created over here. Now if you want to change this tier, you can again go to edge flange, go to custom relief type, change to off-round, and click on OK. Change to off-round, rectangle. It's not changing, there is something. Okay, we need to select this one. If you have selected an offset one like this option, bend outside, then it will not change. If you will select material outside, it will change up. So I'm selecting off-round with this option, off-round here, and now click on OK. now you can see that a flange is created. So two flanges are created in this video, and one is simple and another is made in the middle. So I hope you understand this very well. So in this way we can make four flanges, and we can then make a block. So I hope you like this video. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel, and I will definitely complete the all the commands of uh, SolidWorks sheet metal. And previously I have also covered some more playlists, like a sketch command is discussed, and all the features commands are discussed, like the feature command extrude, revolve, swap, lofted, boundary, extruded, hold, revolve. These all commands, rib, and linear pattern, fillet, wrap, intersect, mirror, reference geometry. All these commands are discussed previously. You can see my videos, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.